Good afternoon, class 8. As we have done this part yesterday, health is wealth, water pollution. I have explained this yesterday. I hope all of you have understood that, and I have given you some extra word meanings also, except these, the ones which are in your book at the bottom of the page. And as a home assignment, you have to revise all these word meanings. I can take surprise test anytime. Like I can give you words and you have to make sentences from any of these word meanings. So be prepared for that. So today we are going to start with this topic, food for thought. So when we talk about food, you think what comes in your mind first of all? Food. When we talk about food, what comes in your mind? Pizza, burger, wafers, all these things. Isn't it tempting? Yes. Am I right? Yes. All of you love such food. Not only kids, but grown-ups also nowadays like such food. So today the topic is food for thought. That means food is vital for our body and for our health, for our growth. So the food should be taken with much thought. Whatever we eat, we have to eat it. It should be healthy. It should be nutritious. We should not eat food without means thinking ki it's very tasty, so we should have it. No. You please think over it before eating that does this food gives me any nutrition? Is it good for my health? Is it good for my body? Am I getting nutrition from this food? Or things like that. So if we talk about healthy food and junk food, you know that healthy food refers to the food that contains the right amount of nutrients to keep our body fit. We need healthy food to keep ourselves fit, right? So furthermore, healthy food is also very delicious as opposed to popular thinking. Don't ever think that if the food is healthy, it will not be tasty. We can make the healthy food tastier also. So nowadays, kids need to eat healthy food more than ever. We must encourage good eating habits so that our future generations will be healthy and fit. Most importantly, we should make them aware of the harmful effects of the junk food and the positive impact of the healthy food. We should stress upon these points. Parents as well as the teachers should teach kids from an early age about the same things. So today we are going to discuss about this topic. Today's teenagers are likely to have shorter lifespans than that of their parents. Sounds weird, isn't it? This means that nowadays people have a short life as compared to their parents or grandparents. They used to live more. Your ancestors, your forefathers, they used to lead a actually very healthy and simple life. That's why they used to live more than the generation of ours. The reason is very weird. Weird means very queer, very awkward. You feel very bizarre about that. Odd. Well, that is what none other than a public health expert at Yale University is saying. So, lot of experiments and lot of surveys are going on and all over the country and all over the globe. And they are finding that the reasons are really weird why nowadays the lifespan has become shorter. The reasons are many, and one of them is accessibility of high-calorie junk food. Passive entertainment and an inactive lifestyle have exposed a generation of urban children to Dudley Dursley-like figures. Now, one of the reasons for short lifespan is that we are taking junk food in excess because अवेलेबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है. Just we give a phone call and the food will be delivered to us. Then our physical exercise has gone less. We don't now play outside like in the olden times. Children used to spend their time outside in the playgrounds, running and playing cricket and all the physical activities they used to do. And an inactive lifestyle has exposed a generation of urban children to Dudley Dursley-like figures. Now, who is this Dudley Dursley? He is one of the character in Harry Potter's. Have you heard about Harry Potter? The famous novelist? Yes. He is one of the famous character he played. He depicts the child obesity. डडले डर्से एक कैरेक्टर था, उसने एक हैरी पॉटर के नॉवल में ये कैरेक्टर प्ले किया था, एंड वेयर ही हैज प्लेड द कैरेक्टर ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, ओबीज चाइल्ड, मीन्स एक बहुत मोटा बच्चा. Why he became so like this? Because his parents had spoiled him. Not only the kids are at blame, parents are also equally responsible for making their kids obese and unhealthy. And he has also become the insolent and rude because of his rearing up, as his parents has brought him up. So all these things matters a lot, what I mean to say. Along with the multiple health hazards, high BP, high blood pressure, heart disease and diabetes by middle age are so common these days that they are almost fashionable. Nowadays we are consuming lot of junk food, and whereas mostly when we sit together and whenever we talk about our health issues, so all these diseases are very common among most of all of us. High BP, everybody is having high blood pressure, and mostly people are having the heart diseases. Nowadays skin diseases are also arising. Diabetes is the most common. All these three are most common, and I'm not wrong if I say that it has become a status symbol also. Like we're not having this one of these diseases, that means you're not keeping pace with the high society norms. Like it's a fashionable that yes, you are having these one or two diseases with you. That means you are equal with your social circle. According to a survey done by the AIMS in New Delhi public schools, 1 in every 10 adolescents and young adults is obese. So there is one survey, according to the survey done by the AIMS. You know about the AIMS, All India Indian Medical Sciences, जो हमारा न्यू दिल्ली में बहुत बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है, and it has organized a survey, and according to that 1 in 10 adolescents and young adults is obese. Means in every 10 adolescents, one young kid is obese, means he is overweight, while 1 out of every 20 has high blood pressure, and out of 20, 1 is having high BP. Another study done in New Delhi involving 870 children in public schools. Now they had a study that is done among the New Delhi students of public schools involving 870 children. Around 27% of the children are obese. And the main reason behind this is junk food, unhealthy food. These figures compare with those in US, where the Center of Disease Control has warned that obesity is now a normal global epidemic. So these figures of these studies which are gone through in India, these figures were compared with the studies done in USA or in the other foreign countries, where the Center of Disease Control has warned that obesity is not only in one country, it is now global epidemic, means now it is all over the globe. Epidemic is a disease that is spread among the large areas. That means obesity is now a epidemic. It has become an epidemic. It is spread among many countries around the globe. So it is the duty of our teachers that we should tell, teachers as well as the parents also, that we should tell you about the benefits of the healthy food. Healthy food does not have merely one but numerous benefits. It helps us in various spheres of life. Healthy food does not only impact our physical health but also the mental health too. So whenever we intake healthy fruits and vegetables that are full of nutrients, we reduce the chances of diseases. For instance, green vegetables help us to maintain strength and vigor, and in addition, certain healthy food items keep away from long-term illness like diabetes and blood pressure. While healthy food are good in every means, so whenever we eat junk food, it all lacks all the essential nutrients. Once we eat junk food, we might feel satisfied and full. हम जब भी जंक फूड खाते हैं, हमें अच्छा लगता है, टेस्टी लगता है, और वो होता भी है माउथ वाटरिंग. But in reality, junk food gives us a sleepy feeling, which is because the unwanted fat gets accumulated in the inner walls of the arteries. But होता क्या है, हमें अच्छा तो लगता है वो खाना खा के, जंक फूड खा के, बट उसका जो फैट होता है वो हमारी बॉडी की आर्टरीज की इनर वॉल्स पे चिपक जाता है, जिससे कि हमारी बॉडी फूलती जाती है, आगे और मोटी होते जाते हैं हम लोग. तो obesity is the biggest problem in our country, not only in our country but all over the globe. So people are falling prey to obesity faster than expected. However, this can still be controlled. So obese people usually indulge in a lot of junk food actually, because it contains a lot of sugars, salt, fats, which contribute to the obesity. So healthy food can help you get rid of all this, as it does not contain any harmful things. So the reasons are not too hard to find. So I was just explaining you that what are the benefits of the healthy food and what are the bad effects, harmful effects of the junk food. Now coming back to this part, the reasons are not too hard to find. Youngsters' eating habits are influenced by the family, peer groups and the social environment and the media. So whatever the children are today eating, whatever their eating habit is, it is influenced by the family. फैमिली में जैसा खाना खाया जाता है, इस चीज का इन्फ्लुएंस पड़ता है. नंबर 1, पीयर ग्रुप्स, आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में आप कैसा खाना खाते हैं. सेकेंड पॉइंट, सोशल एनवायरनमेंट, आपकी सोसाइटी कैसी है, आपका सोशल सर्कल कैसा है, फैमिली के से जो भी आपके रिलेटिव्स हैं, फ्रेंड सर्कल है, ये सारा आपका सोशल एनवायरनमेंट है, वो कैसा खाना खाते हैं. एंड द मीडिया, media is very important because whatever we see on TV and as TV and television, so the mouth-watering dishes and in a very attractive way they just advertise their products, food products. So all these look very tempting, and that is why youngsters are more interested in eating the junk food. So all these 4 points are very important that influence the habits. So with crores of rupees being spent on the advertisements of food directed at impressionable youngsters of today, means when we see the advertisement of Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut or the chocolates, mouth-watering chocolates, they advertise it, they display it in such a way that we feel like having it immediately. So they make an impression on you, they influence you a lot. It is hardly surprising that they are choosing a pack of chips and a can of soda over veggies and dal. Nowadays children are more interested in eating these things, pack of chips, soda, and if mom will say that no, you will have this chapati or vegetable, and they will just crib about it, then no, we don't want to eat this. tasteless food because they don't find any taste in veggies and pulses. So lax parental supervision at meal times is slowly resulting in fat bellies. So lax parental means the parents are getting very liberal. They think that we should not be so much strict about that. They want their children to be happy, whether it is making them unhealthy or not. They don't care about it. Lax means carelessness, not very negligent. Parental supervision means parents are nowadays not that much careful about the food habits of their children. At meal times is slowly resulting in fat bellies, and the result is the children are getting fat bellies. पेट उनके बढ़ जाते हैं और उनके चेहरे भी chubbier cheeks, मोटे मोटे चेहरे हो जाते हैं, cheeks भी chubby हो जाती हैं. Resorting to fast foods, ordering in or eating out is increasing at a furious rate. So that is why all these fast foods, junk food, ordering in and eating out, ये आजकल ये जो नॉर्म है ये बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो गया है, अलार्मिंग हो गया है. ये जो चीज़ है बाहर खाने की, चलो आज बर्थडे है इसका, कम ऑन लेट्स गो एंड ईट आउट, और आज घर पे खाना बनाने का मन नहीं है, ओके फाइन. मॉम सेज आई एम फीलिंग tired. Okay, no, doesn't matter. We'll order from outside and we'll give a phone call. Food is delivered. So that is why the things are getting very approachable. That is why all these things, this obesity and all these health diseases and heart diseases, these are increasing at a very furious rate, eroding the traditional eating patterns. जैसा हम पुराने टाइम में हमारे जो बुजुर्ग खाते थे या जो हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जिस तरह का खाना खाते थे, सात्विक खाना खाते थे, वो आजकल हम नहीं खा रहे हैं. हमारा जो ईटिंग पैटर्न है वो बहुत चेंज हो चुका है. Food is now only a phone call away. So you also know that what I am talking about. आप एक फ़ोन करते हैं, आपको होम डिलीवरी हो जाती है, और आजकल तो स्विगी वगैरह जैसी भी चीज़ें आ गई हैं. हमें कुछ भी खाना है, we just call on, give a phone call and the food is there within half an hour. And ill health is little closer. और उसकी वजह से हमारी जो हेल्थ है वो डिटीरिएट होती जा रही है, खराब होती जा रही है. सो अगर हम इसके कंपैरिजन में देखें तो जो हमारा हेल्दी फूड है उसका एक और फायदा भी है. इन एडिशन टू दैट, हेल्दी फूड ऑल्सो हेल्प्स यू सेव मनी ऑल्सो. इट इज मच चीपर इन कंपैरिजन टू द जंक फूड. Plus, all that goes into the preparation of healthy food is also of low cost. और जो भी आपकी मम्मा घर पे बनाएंगी वो हेल्दी भी होगा, टेस्टी भी होगा, न्यूट्रिशियस भी होगा, और उस पे कॉस्ट भी कम लगेगी. Thus, you will be saving a great amount when you only consume healthy food. So the food industry has taken advantage of journal ignorance. Journal ignorance means people are not much bothered about that what happens to their health and what are the side effects of whatever they are doing or what type of lifestyle they are adopting. They are just taking it for granted. They don't have time because mostly both the spouses are working in every house and they have less time and they have sufficient money to spend. So, and the market also knows, food industry also knows, food industry also knows that what the lifestyle is today and how the mentality of the people have changed and how they are less careful about all these things. So that is why they are taking advantage of this thing. About what constituted healthy eating, because they know now that nobody likes to just keep on working hard on cooking and all that. Children today nowadays like eating more of unhealthy food, pizzas and these wafers, burgers and all that. The so-called fat-free, cholesterol-free foods could very well have as much fat and cholesterol as is considered harmful, and then some margarine and other butter substitutes also. Whenever you buy a chips packet or some canned product, there is a nutrient value written somewhere on the box or on the carton of that thing, or on the wrapper of that thing. So you just check out how much calorie it contains. You will come to know that how much you are consuming in, and बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा न्यूट्रिशन होता है उसमें जो जिसकी कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं होती. आपकी वो बॉडी में जाएगा और वो एसिमिलेट कहीं पे भी हो जाएगा, उसका कोई भी आपको फायदा नहीं होने वाला बॉडी में. तो ये सब चीजें वो सिर्फ आपका जो है अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए लिख देते हैं अपने फूड प्रोडक्ट्स पे, दैट इट इज फैट फ्री, इट इज कोलेस्ट्रॉल फ्री, इट्स शुगर फ्री, अदरवाइज इट इज फुल ऑफ फैट एंड शुगर्स. Then some margarine. Margarine is a substitute of butter, fat. होता ये भी वही है, but they just give you in a very polished language. They just write it like people get confused that something substitute is there, so it must be less in calorie and good for health. And the other butter substitutes truly destructive foods. और ये foods जो होते हैं, no doubt they are very delicious, very tempting, but they are destroying you from inside and are sold as healthy alternatives. They will sell you this margarine and they will the products will display that this is a better substitute for the butter. Butter has this much calories, this has less calories, and you will be influenced and you will buy that thing. So all these things are very very confusing. They just elude you. आपको ये एक तरह से धोखा देने वाली बातें हैं कि वो लेबल पे लिखते कुछ और हैं और अंदर होता कुछ और है. So they are truly destructive foods and are sold as healthy alternatives and nourishing fare, fat free, but they are full of sugar laden cereals, are marketed as healthy breakfasts. Good old natural oils have been replaced by these cancer causing, artery blocking, hydrogenated refined oils. Now what is this hydrogenated refined oils? These are edible oils. खाने के लिए ठीक होते हैं, बट ये उतने हेल्दी नहीं होते जितने हमारे पुराने, जैसे हम देसी घी खाते थे या सरसों का जो मस्टर्ड ऑयल होता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो हेल्दी वन, एंड देसी घी, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो गुड ऑप्शन. But these are now coming out the new type of refined oils. These are edible oils, but they are sunflowers or the soya beans. ये फ्लावर्स के एक्सट्रैक्ट होता है और उसको रिफाइन करके ऑयल बनाया जाता है. तो these are edible, but these are very less in nutrition. With supermarkets flooded with foods made from such raw materials, our intake of total fat, bad fats, antioxidants, fiber, minerals has reached dangerous levels. So due to all of these products, हमारी supermarkets आजकल हम जाते भी वहीं पे हैं, everything is displayed there, and we are attracted towards these products and we buy them. हम ऐसे रॉ मटेरियल्स खरीद लेते हैं, एंड वी जस्ट डोंट गिव मच थॉट दैट व्हाट वी आर ईटिंग और व्हाट वी आर बाइंग. वी डोंट हैव दैट टाइम. आजकल के जो हमारा लाइफस्टाइल हो गया है, हमारे पास, पेरेंट्स के पास इतना सोचने का ही टाइम नहीं है कि हम क्या खा रहे हैं, बच्चों को हम क्या खिला रहे हैं. ये बात हो गई है. The good news is early lifestyle choices that can help nip degenerative diseases in the bud. So we have to take care that, no doubt, we are changing. The lifestyles have been changed to much extent, but still we should, if your children likes to eat the junk food, you can make it more healthier. Try to make it at home only. Make it more nutritive add veggies to it. Means there are certain methods that you can make your child eat junk food but with the nutrition. What I mean to say is that if your child loves the burger, so while it's better option if your mother cooks it for you at home with all the nutritious vegetables and other things, whatever she thinks that your child will like. So it's better if the food is homemade, and make it tempting also, just like we get in the markets also. So just to satisfy our taste buds, we should not risk our lives, we should not risk our health. So we may feel satisfied after having this junk food, but you know that it is destroying our digestive system also, because it does not have that much fiber which helps in the digestion. So that is why, in short, we can say that we must recognize, though the junk food may seem more tempting and appealing, देखने में वो बहुत tempting और appealing लगता है, but and it comes with a great cost also. मैंने अभी आपको ये भी समझाया था कि वो उतना ही expensive भी है जितना tempting है. So a cost which is very hard to pay. Therefore, we all must have healthy foods and strive for a longer and healthier life. I hope you all enjoyed whatever I tried to explain you today, because it is also a very common topic, like whatever we are eating today, and it's a very fiery topic. Everybody likes to eat the junk food. That is why I just spoke myself related to this food, healthy food versus the junk food. So I'll be sending you the meanings of some extra words, and please jot out these word meanings which are already present in your lesson. These are written at the bottom of your book, and rest I will send you in some time. So I hope you all enjoyed this part. That's over for today only. So tomorrow we will discuss about the Veggie Delight. Thank you.